Hey everyone, welcome back to BlyleDev. Today I'm going to show you some additional theming that you can do within your app. A lot of times you're going to have custom colors where you have hexadecimal color codes that you want to use, but you don't want them to necessarily be part of your theme data. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. In my case, I may have something that I only want to use in a single instance. I don't really want it to necessarily be within the theme of that component that I'm building. And so I'm going to show you guys how you can get around that and utilize custom coloring. And so what I'm going to do is I have my AppTheme class here. I define my theme data, but one thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to call, I'm going to create a static const called colors, and that's going to reference another class called AppColors. And what AppColors is if you look up here, it's actually another file where you'll see AppColors is defined, and all it contains is a bunch of different custom colors that I might utilize within my app, or I might even reference them right here in my theme. In this case, I'm not, but you could do that as well. And when you have a theme that's getting really big with a lot of different coloring and stuff, it can actually be very helpful to list out all of your colors within a colors or app colors class and then reference them in your theme. But I want to show you guys how you can use this. So now that we've defined these, and I had these predefined already, and we've referenced it within our app theme class, I'll go to this, this particular page. This is my favorite screen for this app. This app is displaying gluten-free products for users to explore. And in this case, these are ones that the users already favorited. And so let's say I want to change this white background. I want to change it to that coin gold color that I have. What I can do is, in place of calling colors.white where I called that other color, I can say apptheme.colors.coingold, and it's that simple. You'll see here it's now updated that background for that element. So it's really simple, really easy to do. You have your app theme class, you define colors, or alternatively, you could just reference colors directly, but I find it's a lot more normal and easy to follow if you reference it through your app theme. And then we have our class where we define those colors, as you can see here. Okay, if you find this video useful, click that like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.